Whether you're a seasoned nomad or a first-time, these hacks are sure to make your journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Subscribe and like this video. No one! Pack light but smart. One of the biggest challenges of solo travel is carrying all your belongings with you at all times. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Start by choosing a bag that's comfortable and secure. We recommend a backpack with a lockable compartment to keep your valuables safe. Then use packing cubes to keep your clothes neat and organized. And don't forget to roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. You can also use a packing list to make sure you only bring what you need. Pro tip, leave some space in your bag for souvenirs. You don't want to be lugging around a heavy bag all day, but you also don't want to be caught without enough supplies. No! To stay connected. Staying connected while traveling is essential, but it can be tricky to find reliable internet access in foreign countries. That's why we recommend using a VPN like ExpressVPN or Nomad VPN to keep your data safe and secure. Plus, a VPN can help you access your favorite streaming services from anywhere in the world. It's also a great way to keep in touch with friends and family back home or to stay updated on current events. No. 3. Be prepared for transportation. Getting from one destination to another can be stressful, especially if you're not familiar with the local transportation system. That's why we recommend using ride-sharing services like Uber or local transportation apps to get around. These services are usually reliable and affordable, and they can be a great way to avoid getting lost. Pro tip always, check the local currency converter before booking your ride to avoid any surprises. No. 4. Learn basic phrases. Knowing a few key phrases in the local language can make a big difference in your travel experience. Not only will it help you communicate with locals, but it'll also show respect for the culture. Plus, you never know when it might come in handy. So before you travel, learn basic phrases like hello, thank you, and goodbye. And if you want to go the extra mile, try learning a few common phrases. No. 5. Be adventurous, but stay safe. Solo traveling can be an exciting adventure, but it's important to take safety precautions. Share your itinerary with friends or family. Use reliable transportation services and stay in well-lit, populated areas. If you're feeling uncomfortable, trust your gut and remove yourself from the situation. It is also a good idea to have a backup plan in place just in case something goes wrong. With a little preparation, you can have a safe and unforgettable solo travel experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your. Thanks for watching and happy travels!